Hello and welcome to Brodual. This time we have Tamriel Online. This is a work in progress multiplayer mod for Skyrim. As you can probably imagine, this is a huge endeavour for what's currently a one-man mod team, but even after just 2 weeks of development there's already a somewhat playable version of the mod available. Some of you might remember Skyrim Online, which aimed to transform Skyrim into an MMO, while this mod aims to offer a more co-op experience between a few close friends. The way it works is simple. One person becomes the host for the server, which involves downloading a server client. Then whoever wants to connect to said server needs to download the client files and the rest of the mod. Then once you're all set up, it's just a simple press of the home button and you should all magically appear in the same world. What you're seeing on screen now is both of us connected to the same game. We haven't actually tested it on a local connection, and given that we're over 2,000 miles apart, there's some noticeable lag. But all things considered, it's not too bad. As you should expect, pretty much everything in the game is broken in some way. But despite its issues, there's something quite surreal about running around Skyrim with an actual living person. The fact it's even possible still amazes us, even though we followed the progress of Skyrim Online from as early as 2012. Back then you'd basically be running around with a lifeless frozen dummy, but now it's at the point where you can see character appearances, armor, and most animations. In its current state it's only usable for two things. The first is testing. If you're interested in helping the author build on the mod, then we'll include everything you need to get in contact with him down below. The second is for exploration. It actually works pretty well if you just want to run around the world together with a few friends. What's great is that it works regardless of what mods you have installed, and as long as your load orders match up, you can even use custom armors too. As you can see, we're both using the ESO Daedric armor that we featured a few days ago. Changing your armor on the fly also works, but sometimes it seems to get stuck and you'll need to reconnect for it to update. Reconnecting fixes most things and it only takes a few seconds, so if you're ever struggling with something, then just double tap your home key to reconnect. Most other aspects of the game simply don't work or aren't influenced by the server. For example, if you start killing things on your screen, nobody else on the server will be able to see it. The same goes for questing and pretty much all other types of interaction. However, this is what the author plans to work on after he squashed any bugs. All in all, if you've never looked into the few multiplayer Skyrim mods out there, then this is a good place to start. You can grab the server and be running around in game together with friends in literally minutes. Setting it up is relatively easy as long as you have some basic computer knowledge. We'll also include a written tutorial down below, and if there's enough demand for it, we'll create a video tutorial later down the line. Everything you need can be found down below. As always, be sure to leave an endorsement on any mod you enjoy, check out G2A for some cheap games, and thanks for watching.